Traffic backed up on I-95 today in the Lantana area in Palm Beach County, that's south of West Palm Beach, after a deadly shooting and wrong-way chase led to several crashes on the interstate. This is still a developing story with more information coming out by the hour. Deputies, though, say that the suspect shot and killed a woman in a parking lot and then took off with her car. We're told deputies chased after that suspect who was going the wrong way on I-95, caused several crashes. The local sheriff says a trooper tried to use a taser on that suspect. That didn't work. That's when the deputy shot and killed that man. Part of I-95 is expected to be closed until tomorrow. Wow.